The stock market can be intimidating. Don't let it be. It's a world full of opportunities waiting to be explored. With the right mindset and approach, you can navigate it successfully. It's your ticket to financial freedom. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself, stay informed, and make wise choices. The more you know, the better your decisions will be. With the right tools, you can succeed. Utilize modern technology and resources to your advantage. There are countless apps and platforms designed to help you make informed investment decisions. Investing is like a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Stay focused on your goals and keep moving forward. Slow and steady wins the race. Understand the fundamentals. Make informed decisions. Consistency and careful planning are key to building a strong financial future. Grow your wealth over time. Just like a plant needs time to grow, so does your investment. Nurture it with regular contributions and watch it flourish. It's not about getting rich quick. Avoid schemes that promise instant wealth. True financial success comes from careful planning and long-term commitment. It's about securing your future. Start investing today. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Plan for your future and take control of your financial destiny. Your future self will thank you. The decisions you make today will shape your tomorrow. Invest wisely, stay committed, and enjoy the rewards of your hard work. Financial statements are the language of business. Learn to read them. They reveal a company's health and potential. Key ratios are your magnifying glass. They highlight profitability and efficiency. Compare companies within the same industry. Make smart investment choices. Don't be afraid to dig deep. Understand the business model. Evaluate their management team. Make sure they align with your investment philosophy. The internet is your research library. Use reputable financial websites. Access company filings, analyst reports, and industry news. Screening tools help you filter stocks. Define your criteria. Find companies that match your investment strategy. Save time and effort. Stay informed about market trends. Use charting tools to visualize price movements, identify patterns, and make better trading decisions. Diversification and trends, safeguarding your investments. In this section, we will explore the importance of diversification and staying informed about market trends to protect and grow your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This age-old adage is crucial in investing. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, you minimize the risk of losing everything if one investment fails. Diversify your portfolio across different sectors and asset classes. This means including stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investment vehicles to balance potential risks and rewards. Reduce risk and maximize returns. Diversification helps you achieve a more stable and potentially higher return on your investments over time. Stay ahead of the curve. Understand macroeconomic trends. Keeping an eye on global financial news and economic indicators can help you make informed investment decisions. Identify industries poised for growth. Research and analyze which sectors are expected to expand and invest in them to capitalize on future opportunities. Position yourself for long-term success. Market timing is difficult and often unreliable. Instead, focus on a long-term investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals. Focus on long-term value investing. By investing in companies with strong fundamentals and growth potential, you can build wealth over time. Buy quality companies at reasonable prices. Ride out market fluctuations. Investing in stable, well-established companies can help you weather market volatility and achieve steady growth. The time to invest is now. The financial world is constantly evolving, and waiting for the perfect moment can mean missed opportunities. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start investing is now, regardless of market conditions. Start investing today, no matter how small. Even a modest beginning can grow into substantial wealth over time. Every journey begins with a single step. Knowledge is power. Equip yourself with the right information to make informed decisions. Continue learning about the stock market. Stay updated with the latest trends and strategies. Read books, articles, and financial news. The more you know, the better your investment choices will be. Stay ahead of the game. Analyze market trends and data to make proactive decisions. Like and subscribe for more investing tips and insights. Join a community of like-minded individuals. Let's build your financial future together. Seek advice from financial experts and collaborate with others. The time for action is now. Take control of your financial destiny and start investing today.